Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to create an iOS 7 inspired tab or icon set in Adobe Illustrator. In first step, we want to set up our document. Okay, go to File, Menu, New, and set our custom size to 640 in 98 point. Okay, artboard 1 RGB color, create, and go to view, snap to enable snap to grid, and check edit preferences, guide and grid for grid line every 1 point. Okay, now for first item we want to create a camera icon. Okay, now select rounded rectangle tool and select a stroke for this color, no fill, and set size to 60 and 39 and 4. Okay, align to center, zoom in. And now change the stroke setting, stroke to 2-point weight, and align stroke to inside. Okay, from stroke panel, align stroke to inside and change the weight to 2-point. Now create a circle by ellipse tool. Set to 27 point and align to center. Okay, and add two small circles here and here. Okay, add four and 4. Okay, move to right place. Excuse me, Control Z, zoom in. Okay, I think it's okay. Change position by arrow key. Arrow key, okay. Now add another circle, 7 point to here. Okay, I changed the color to fill, a stroke to fill. Okay, by the swap or shift X. We can do that for this. Okay, now that's right. Now select pen tool and add anchor point tool to add 4 points here. Okay, zoom in. Okay, 1 point, excuse me, select. Okay, 1 point. Okay. And okay. Now select direct selection tool and select inner 2 point. Move by arrow key 5.2 up or okay. Now okay, now select rectangle tool and add 6 to 2 point rectangle. Okay, zoom in, move to right place. Okay. Now we can add a label. Okay, select type tool here and type camera. Okay, change color to this, set size, change size to 19. Okay, and align to this. Okay, we can change the font of text by select and from here change. For iOS, default font is Helvetica. Okay. Now select all item, Control G, layer to camera icon. Okay, now duplicate from this layer, from this duplicate, and change duplicate layer to camera icon dash activated. Okay, hide camera icon and customize camera icon activated layer. Okay, go to isolation mode, select and change fill color this and stroke to none and text to blue. Okay, and change this to blue. Okay, now we want to cut or minus this elements from body of camera. Okay, well, for doing this effect, select big circle and from object select expand appearance to change stroke to fill. Okay, now select two small circles. From object menu, go to compound pad and select make. Okay, now select the body and from pathfinder select a minus front. Okay, that's right. Now we have two layers. Okay, default icon and activated icon. Okay, now hide camera icon activated. Okay, we can select this icon and move to right. Okay, and change to okay center. And this layer change. Zoom in. Okay, now we have activated and activated and default camera icon for right position. Select camera icon. Position is this and change and position there. Okay, change the right position. Okay, select this, select Y, Control 49 and select 249. Okay. And change to 827. Okay. default icon and activated icon now are in right place. Okay. Okay, good.